them. Oh, brothers. Here she is, boys. Check it out. What's going on, you guys? Riley here. Today we are putting lowering springs here on the Hellcat. We're putting a new front bumper on and a new front air dam after the incident with the 18-wheeler tire blowout. So the Hellcat is finally getting repaired, and since we're getting a new bumper, that means the bumper will not have the ACR stripes on them. So I think we might end up taking the stripes off as well. And also, assuming one part showed up, we'll be doing something else, but not sure if it's there yet, but might have a little surprise for y'all. So yeah, it should be a pretty fun day. We are pulling up to Modfx as I speak, so let's go see the guys. Okay, I lied. It's been probably 2 hours since I last filmed that, but we're at Modfx. We got Jordan over here. We got Kyle over here. Hey. Zach over here. About to take off the front bumper on the Hellcat. Got Jose over here. What's up, Jose? We got Rosie over here. Hi, Rosie. We got Randall over here. So we got a full day at Modfx. We got a bunch of Mopars in here. My Mopar. A couple more here outside. 2 matching Chargers. Please excuse the wind, but we got Zach's Camaro. Kyle Shelby with his wrap that I have not seen in the daylight since he got it done. Ooh, baby. Gloss wicked. Now it's a cloudy day, so it's not bringing out all the purple. I want to see it on a sunny day, but oh man, I love that. And then we got Randall's 392 Super B and a Mopar 10 edition, and this one right here. So yeah, just Mopars everywhere. It's a full day at Modfx. So now I'll tell you guys what else is happening today. All right, so as most of you know, this is what happened to my bumper. This is what happened to my front splitter. So both of these are being replaced today, and since we have to take these off, we figured, hey, we might as well do the color changing daytime running lights from Diode Dynamics. So Randall here is going to be installing those here in a little bit. Moving over here to my box of parts, we have bumper, splitter, a couple more miscellaneous parts, and then here are the Diode Dynamics stuff. So we have a Bluetooth controller. I'll be able to change the colors from my phone. Some wiring, and then all the hardware and stuff in that box. And then, as I said, the main reason for coming here was also to get the Eibach Pro Kit or Pro Line, whatever they call it, the Eibach lowering springs on the car, which should drop at like 1.2 inches, but we will see. Go. All right, headlights off, bumper off. Say goodbye to this bumper. She gonna be gone in a few minutes. All right, so I'm thinking before my next track day, I'm just gonna take both headlights out. I think that right there will increase airflow significantly. Let me know what you think. All right, so these are the Eibach, is it Pro Kit? Is that what they call them?
They're a Pro Kit for the Hellcat.
Eibach Pro Kit for the Hellcat, going on this Hellcat. Here we go. Ooh, nice and red to match the brake calipers.
First.
So one thing I pointed out a long time ago in videos is that this caliper has a ton of discoloration in it, and I'm not really sure why. It actually came like this from the factory. I bought the car knowing it was like that, so I'm not sure if that's something I could get like warranty work on or what. So I'm gonna talk to a few people that know more than I do. But yeah, just kind of unfortunate that it's doing that. Ta-da!
It's out. You only can do this with aftermarket. You can't do that with OEM. You do that with the ring compressor when you come to this part. Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, my friends, that's how you do it right there.
What was that, 10 minutes?
Yeah, it was probably 10 minutes.
Ah, brother's using 4.
Yeah, actually that was under 10 minutes. All right, just dropped it down from the lift. That's what we're working with currently. Keep in mind they're gonna settle, but that right there is the front as of right now. Where'd the light go? But that right there is so much better.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah, buddy. Now for the rear. Oh, oh, hey, you good? You good? You good, fam?
No, bro. I told you just wait. I said keep coming, but wait.
All right, well, after going full Mustang mode on Jose, we're gonna go ahead and jack up the rear using the rear differential, and then install the rear springs here. And then this gap right here will go. Oh, okay. Well, that was fast. Also, if you guys were curious about the tips from last video, that, my friends, is how they did that. So it's pretty much just tips welded right to the back of that resonator or muffler, whatever you want to call them. I call it a resonator, but I know some of you like to call those mufflers. Yeah. But yeah, pretty nice. All right, well, unfortunately, as Jose's finishing up there, there's a guy at my house right now who is going to be buying my stock OEM wheels and tires. So got to go sell those to him, and then I'm going to a family birthday dinner. So Jose and Randall, I'll see you guys in a couple hours. I left them with a GoPro, so the next footage you guys see is filmed by those guys. Just a 5.7? Sounds good, man. Hell yeah. So we got 2 tires cuddling right back here. We got 1 here in the trunk. This poor man is gonna be cuddling a wheel and tire all the way home. These guys came an hour and a half away. Okay, well, that's not terrible. At least it's not on your lap.
It's easier now.
Well, you guys have a safe trip back. And yeah, man, I'm excited. This will be cool. All right, you guys, I'm back from my birthday dinner. Seeing the Hellcat here for the first time. Let's check it out. Oh, that is so much better. Hell yeah. Coming up to the front. And keep in mind, these have not settled yet, so it'll be even lower here in probably a couple days. But yeah, that is perfect. And then now walking over here, checking on the front bumper progress. So here we have the new bumper, as you see, already painted. We just went ahead and test fitted it, and the white paint is a perfect match, so that is great. So that's the new bumper. We're putting all the grills and stuff from the old bumper, which is right here. As you can see, the stripes. And Jose, you know what you're doing?
Not really.
Okay, fair enough. All right, 20 minutes later, we got pretty much everything back together in here. Just doing up the last steps. And we'll walk over here, see what Randall's doing. Randall, what's going on, man?
Hey, what's going on? We're gonna get ready to open the headlights. We'll put the Diode Dynamics VRL boards in there. We'll see how it turns out. So check back in a few.
Cool, you know what you're doing?
I know how to follow instructions, so I think I'll be all right.
How many times do you think you've done this?
Hundreds. So
400 or 500 times?
it's been a lot. It's almost second nature now, so we'll see if I can do a good job on these. Stop, man, stop.
Troll. Anybody want this bumper?
I'm gonna put it up. It's gonna be on the Modfx swap meet for about 5 grand.
5 grand, got it. 5 grand. We'll start the bidding there. Everything included nicely. Inside of a Challenger headlight. All right, so just doing a test fit of the new bumper. Obviously the headlights aren't in the car, but there she is, and there's the stripes. So as you can tell, that looks extremely goofy. So we are going to take off all the stripes now. It was great having these things, and a huge shout out to Goldmine Graphics for doing these. He did these all on his own. He got the dimensions all by himself. I mean, he did a fantastic job. I've really enjoyed having these on the car for, what, like 4 months now, probably, give or take. But yeah, these things have been great. Not even a single corner anywhere is peeling on these things, so good job to him. But now comes wrap era number 2. She gone. Woo. Woo. And that, my friends, is the beauty of vinyl wrap. Stupid. Yeah. Hey. Brothers. All right, for anybody considering doing a black center stripe down your Challenger, here's a quick little glimpse of it. I know the front bumper's not done. but I actually really like it. I think that's really cool. All right, rest in peace, ACR stripes. They are gone. Checking in with Randall now. Looks like he's starting to open up headlight number 2. So that means headlight number 1 is over here, all clamped up, all done. We missed all the fun stuff. Had to take a little cookie cake break. 21st birthday was, wow, you guys are seeing this a little bit after, but yeah.
Wait a minute, did you say 21st birthday?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, oh no.
You have to take a shot.
I'm not 21 yet though.
You're not 21?
Monday. All right, Randall, give me the rundown. What's going on, man?
Just about to wire you up. We have the Diode Dynamics Bluetooth controller, brand new, recently released. All controlled by a smartphone app, no need for a handheld remote. All you have to do is add a power and ground and you're done. So it's real easy, straightforward. Not a lot of ways you can mess up if you're doing it yourself. Definitely recommend it if you're going with the Diode Dynamics kit. We're going to run the extension wire across. That way we can power the headlight from this side. Everything's plug and play, nice and clean JST connectors. We'll be done in about 10 minutes.
Working on some wiring over here. Got some good old RPPRODUCTIONS on over here. We got the old bumper in here. I want to show you guys the old bumper. It's pretty cool. What the? Hey, you good, fam?
Yo, close that shit, bro. I'm tired.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll leave him be. Carry on. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and test out the app and make sure that these work. So we're gonna open up the Diode Dynamics app, which opens up to this right here. Gonna hit the on button, and what do you know? They turned on. So here is the true white, which is pretty darn bright. And now let's go to a pink, purple, blue, green, etc. You get the whole point. But yeah, it appears to be working correctly. You can change the brightness here. You can go through a bunch of different patterns and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty cool. Finished everything up here on the Hellcat. So we got the Eibach lowering springs and the Diode Dynamics running lights. Huge shout out to Randall here at Modfx and Jose at Modfx. Definitely go follow these guys on Instagram. Show them some love. If you guys need anything done to your car and you're in the Houston area or even far away, hit these guys up. They definitely know what they're doing. Even though they like to act like they don't, they know what they're doing. All right, guys, it is the next day. Finally got the car out in some sunlight. Here she is, boys. Check it out. So obviously, running lights are set to green right now, looking super nice. The drop settled in pretty nice overnight. Wheels looking great. And then we come back to the rear. Once again, I think this drop is absolutely perfect. Shout out to Eibach. Those are some awesome springs. I really can't even tell a difference when I'm driving around. And moving back to the back, once again, just looks so clean. Honestly, like, I really liked the stripes, but it makes me super happy to see it again without them because it's just such a clean car. And oh man, I'm so excited. Also, probably one of the best parts is I got a new bumper and splitter, so it's not broken. Woohoo! But as you guys can probably tell, it is starting to rain now, so I'm gonna head inside. But thank you guys for watching this video. We have plenty more fun things coming for this car. Oh, yep, rain's coming down pretty hard now. So I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Yep, it is coming down. That was some good timing, my friends.
Can you zoom in on this? What a clunk of junk. What do you think, Jordan?
Oh man, we got no headlights, man. We're not gonna be able to see in the dark, man.
Aerodynamics. What do you think, fam?
Aerodynamics.
This is a slow piece of turd. This is dumb. Turn off. Stop recording. I don't know what I'm doing here.